In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a ChatGPT writing agent node in n8n. This will be a straightforward guide that walks you through each step in detail, ensuring that you can follow along with ease. First things first, let's open n8n. Once you have the platform up and running, your first task is to create a new workflow. To do this, simply click on the Create Workflow option that you see on your screen. It's essential at this point to give your new workflow a distinctive name so it's easily identifiable later on. Let's go with ChatGPT Writing Agent for clarity. Naming your workflow accurately not only helps in staying organized, but also makes it simpler to manage multiple workflows in the future. Now let's move forward to an important decision, adding a trigger to your workflow. Triggers are pivotal as they define how your workflow will begin. If you're setting this up for testing purposes, a manual trigger is the way to go. This gives you control to start the workflow whenever you're ready during the testing phase. If instead you envision this as part of a chatbot system, using a chat trigger is your best bet. Alternatively, if your use case involves external API requests, you'll want to opt for a webhook. For the purpose of setting up a writing assistant, the chat trigger is the most suitable choice since it will allow for interactive sessions. With our trigger set, let's enhance our workflow by adding an AI agent node. Click on the plus Add Node button and use the search function to find the AI agent. Once you've located it, connect it to your trigger. This connection is crucial as it allows the AI agent to receive user inputs that come through the trigger. It's time to configure the AI agent, which involves specifying a few settings. You'll want to set the agent type to Tools Agent. For the source for prompt, you'll choose the Connected Chat Trigger, or whatever trigger input you've designated. This setup enables the AI agent to act as a traffic coordinator of sorts, efficiently receiving your users' requests and ferrying them onwards to the language model. Moving on, we will integrate an OpenAI chat model. You'll do this by clicking on the plus below the AI agent's chat model connection point. From there, search and select the OpenAI chat model. It's crucial at this stage to input your OpenAI API key credentials to bridge the connection. You'll also get to choose which model to use, perhaps a GPT-5 chat model, if available in your account. This choice determines the specific capabilities and limitations of your writing agent. Initially, it's advisable to stick with the default settings provided for the model. This simplicity ensures that you focus on getting everything connected correctly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully established a basic ChatGPT writing agent node workflow in n8n. From here, you can test, refine, and expand this foundation to fit your unique applications. Thanks for watching and happy workflow building.